Okay, now we start with the activity number two, that's parts of a circle. So here on the right hand side, you'll be writing activity two. So students, you'll be writing objective, materials required, and the observations, which I'll be showing after this activity is done. Right now, we'll be focusing on the pasting and folding part, and then I'll show you what is to be written on the right hand side. So on the left hand side, students, parts of a circle, we have to show parts of a circle using paper folding. For that, we need I'd asked you to bring four cutouts of the circles. I have taken different radii, but I had asked you to take 3 centimeter radius. So, like for example, the first one which I'll take the smaller one. They have to be of same radii. Now, the first one, what we are going to do, we are just going to fold it like this into two equal halves. Okay. So, students, what you see is this is the diameter. What I'm going to do, I'll just take my glue stick and I'll just paste just this part, okay? The folded part, I'll paste it like this only, okay? Yeah, here I go. And here I'll be showing that this line is diameter. Students, decoration and all that, that's up to you, however way you want to do it. So that's totally your creativity. Second thing, now we are going to show the chord. Again, I'll take a circle and here I don't need to fold it in the center, although diameter is also a chord, but I'll just take any part of the circle and fold it. And this, you know, students, it is a chord. So what I'm going to do, again, I'm going to paste it just the way I have folded it. So just apply a glue stick and just paste it like this. Got it? So here again, I am going to show that this part is, you know, the chord. If you want to draw a line here, you can draw the margin here, you can draw the margin here with a color pencil, color pen or sketch pen, whatever you want. So we have got only two figures on this page. If your circles are small, then maybe you'll get three. Otherwise, we'll turn the next page and on the next page, we'll be pasting the other two circles. Now, how you have to paste it, I'll be showing you on this page only. So again, this is my circle, okay, the cutout of the circle. Now I want to show the segment, okay. So you know that if I fold, okay, this is a chord, as we just understood that this is a chord. Now this is an arc. That means, students, the area between the chord and the arc is the segment, okay. So what I'll be doing is on the other page I'll be pasting, and I'm just pasting it for the time being here, but you can just turn the page and you can just show that this is the segment, okay. But you need to show it by shading it. Why? Because then only you'll understand that this is the segment. Students, this is the minor segment and this is the major segment, okay. This is the third circle. So we have shown diameter, we have shown the chord, and I have shown that this part is the segment. For the time being, I am just pasting it here. You don't have to paste it here, you have to paste it on the other plain sheet. Okay, so I'm just pasting it here just in order to show you that this is how I'm going to write that this is, major and this is minor segment. Yeah, okay, so these both are segments. Okay. Now we'll take the fourth circle. So this was very easy, students. Now what I'll do is I'll just take the fourth circle. I'll fold it into two parts like this, and I'll fold it once again. Okay. This is how I'm getting it. Students, you get a quadrant. Now you know that again that this part, if I shade it, this is the area between two radii and an arc. You see, this is the arc, okay, and these are the two radii. So that gives me the sector. What you are going to do is I'm just going to open it again like this, and I am going to cut it, okay. Now, what do I get? I get this as the minor sector, and this will be my major sector. So when you are going to paste it, so we are going to show it. I repeat, students, all this is to be done on the other page. I am just doing it on this page right now. So you will be showing it on the other page. Okay. So this is the major sector, and on the left or right, whatever, that's up to you. So we show that this is the minor sector. Okay. This again, you need to shade it the entire portion to show that this is my major sector. Okay. So I'll write here major sector, and this gives me minor sector. Okay, so I repeat, students, this is the paper folding activity, diameter, chord, minor and major segment, and this is minor and the major sector. This ends our activity. So this is what you have to do, and but you are expected to do it in a very neat manner, and the creativity is all yours. Thank you.